Welcome to PAT Manufacturing Solutions, where precision meets innovation. Today, we're showcasing our compact vibrating dual-head wave filling machine, engineered for small parts like clips, screws, pins, ring terminals, lugs, and more. We start with the larger circular vibrating head, designed to handle the bulk feeding of parts into the weighing vessel. This head ensures a steady flow of parts, maximizing efficiency. Then, the smaller, secondary vibrating head takes over. Its role is crucial for maintaining accuracy, as it slowly tops off the parts to reach the precise target weight. Once the parts are weighed, they drop into our state-of-the-art form fill seal (FFS) machine. Here, the parts are expertly bagged and sealed, ensuring airtight packaging that preserves quality. The sealed bags are then transported onto an elevating conveyor, ready for further processing or shipment. Our compact system is designed to be incredibly efficient, capable of filling up to 3 bags per minute. The machine handles weights ranging from 500 to 1,000 grams, offering versatility for various packaging needs. In the next part of the video, we demonstrate the accuracy of our machine. We manually weigh a bag to confirm the precise measurement, followed by opening the bag and counting the individual pieces. This step further proves the machine's remarkable accuracy and reliability. At PAT Manufacturing Solutions, we are dedicated to delivering top-of-the-line packaging solutions tailored to your needs. Our machines are built with precision and efficiency in mind, ensuring you get the best results every time. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please subscribe to our channel for more updates on our innovative packaging solutions. Stay tuned for more cutting-edge technology from PAT Manufacturing Solutions.